onward with MAPP assignment number 4. This is video 2. We've got our cardioid subarray inside our simulated Gracie theater. And we're going to continue on. We need to put some crossovers between the mains and the subs. So we're going to go into the loudspeaker processor. Didn't mean to do that. Click the wrong tab. We're going to go to the processor settings here. And of course, we have only one processor. It's the Gracie Galileo. And you set this up last week. You've got 6 drive lines for the left array, 6 drive lines for the right array, 2 drive lines we're not using, and those are going to be front fills in the next assignment, and our subs. So we're going to want to put high-pass filters on all of these boxes. So it's pretty simple. You can go into output processing this way and move through the channels like this. That's one way to do it. We're moving through our channels here. The other way to do it is go back to the device overview and double-click on the EQ curve. And that brings you into the same exact place. And we're going to set this up. We're going to do, that's exactly what the assignment says to do. It says, it was talking how to move through there. We're going to put an elliptical high-pass filter at 80 hertz. So let's turn on the elliptical high-pass filter, and that doesn't actually engage it. It's not till you hit that button that you actually get it. Now, there is no way to copy and paste this. You actually have to do this 12 times, which I think you can handle that. I'm going to do it right now on video for you because it's not that awful to do, even when people are watching. Do you think I should edit the video and skip this part out? If it suddenly skips, then you'll know I decided that was a good idea. If it doesn't suddenly skip, then you're watching me do this 12 times. I have seen on YouTube videos where people speed up a section. Maybe I'll get really good at that. Almost there. And I gotta unbypass it. And we're on 12. So we've gotten through all the main arrays. Now let's do the opposite for subs. So this is actually going to be a low pass. And this particular processor only has one low pass. And of course, it's already at 80. So the default frequency in this case is what we want. So we're not changing the number. So there we go. We've got that through that. If I look at that device overview, you can see you've got all the high passes and the 2 low passes. And anything else to do? This pretty much says what we just did. Of course, save your file. I'm not going to do that at the moment, but you should. Next step, we're going to place some measurement mics into our drawing. So I'll go back to the model view. And I do have a couple tidbits here I should follow up on. Let's go to top-down view. And let's hide the stage, the balcony, prediction planes. We don't really need, nope, not those. We need those. Hide the balcony face, hide the stage. We don't really need any architecture now. And unhide the left and right arrays. So that's interesting. I didn't know I need to do that. Yes, of course I do. So let's bring those back in. There they are. So you have your 3 arrays across the front. And we're going to add a new layer. We're going to call it mics. And we're going to add some mics to that, which go under the menu bar, insert microphone, and the first one's going to be called orchestral center mic. So we're going to go insert microphone, and orc center is going to be one of them, orc center mic. I believe that's what the instructions said to do, orc center mic. And we're going to put that on the mic layer, and the location is 35, 0, and 3 feet. 35, 0, right up the middle, and 3 feet. So roughly the height of where people's heads are where they're sitting. Insert that microphone. You can see it's right there. It's a very, as of this release of MAPP, it is very, very tiny. It's almost impossible to select. So you will want to select it occasionally from over here. And that's good. And let's insert another mic. So insert the other mic. Boop. And this one's going to be called orc left mic. Orc left mic. Confirm that. Yep. And I want you to put it in with the wrong measurements, the wrong values. So we're going to do 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. I just want to show you one other thing. Hit 2 is going to be on the mic layer. Insert. It's in the wrong spot. So just to show you one thing you can do if you need to move the mics around, because clicking on it and dragging is nearly impossible, select the mic down here, go to Express Settings, and you do have your locations here, which we want it to be 33 minus 24, 3. So 33 minus 24 and 3. You can see this is over in this area of the audience. Cool. And save your file, which I haven't done in a while, so I might as well. And I'm going to save sequentially. Save project as Eric03. And we should be good there. And, ooh, we're diving into the good stuff. Let's get ready for level time combining. Okay? That should be level time combine, right? Isn't that the word? LTC, combine? Let's make the orchestra and balcony planes visible again. I guess I was supposed to hide them, but I didn't, so I can't have to do that. Switch to 3D view, so let's go to viewport 1. Cool, let's zoom in a little bit. And I'll deselect that measurement. See how tiny that little mic is? And let's do a prediction at 80 hertz and make sure everybody's functioning, okay? Predict. Of course, you're sitting here. What was I doing last time? Oh, I don't know. I really could turn the air conditioner on, cool down the room while we're waiting. And there is a way to speed these up slightly. I will show you that later. Okay, cool. So the question is what are the subs functioning? And I would judge from that extra hot center level up high there that all three are functioning. And the instructions are very clear here, and I need you to do this. Please take a screenshot at this point and name the screenshot MAPP4 system of no alignment, last name, first name. You're going to need multiple screenshots at the end here. So definitely do that. And we are, let's see what we got to do. We need to get into our impulse responses. I'm going to stop the video right now and start a fresh video, okay?